Don't restream. It's dangerous. I know that some people say it in their video that the fastest way to get your 4,000 watch hour is by going live. Instead of going live, that you should restream instead, so that you won't burn yourself out. Well, YouTube is not a fool. Let me tell you, YouTube knows what they are doing. And well, it's also a bad idea. And it's dangerous. Most of it all, it can get your account demonetized. And it has got a lot of accounts demonetized too. Imagine after spending hours, data, battery on Restreaming, and your account get demonetized. It's out, right? So in this video, I'll be telling you how to restream the right way to avoid demonetization, to get enough watch hour, to get subscriber, and a tip for you at the end of the video. Number 1, to avoid demonetization. First, I know have you heard of the word what they call copyright? Yes, I guess so. It's a common word, also known as what? Piracy. The word copyright, piracy, can make your account get demonetized. In case you haven't heard of the word copyright, it means copying someone else's content or somebody else's video and posting it as yours. And piracy is like taking someone else's video without permission. That one will make your account get demonetized. Do you understand? For example, you see a video in a cinema and people are selling the piracy on the road. For example, Lakatabu, Lasiabi, those films, some of them are still in cinema, but you only see the pirated copy on Telegram, some browsers. Some people sell it on the streets. See, I know YouTube is hard, but passing the shortcut does not guarantee you views. See, I know many people make use of videos like this, like fish, whale, autobus, wildlife, people dancing, just to get watch hour. See, just to be the watch hour. Best of it all, you will be monetized. That's the truth. And later, you'll be demonetized. And even if you use your own video too, you will still be demonetized. So this is how to avoid getting demonetized. First, you record a video. You record a new video, basically for Restreaming, just like this. Friend like Folake, our morning friend like Folake. Did you see it's a very different video?
You guys can hear me? This is my first live video on here.
Did you see it's a very different video from the ones on our page? Secondly, you can use somebody else's video, but use a twist or add your own voice over, so you could get flagged for copyright or piracy. Number 2, to get watch hour. I know sometimes you stream for hours, like 11 hours, 12 hours, 9 hours, and more. But this is how to restream the right way. First, the best time to restream on YouTube is mostly at night, because most people will be back from work and they'll be home, and mostly by weekend too. And it isn't by force to restream for hours. Just restream for a short period and see how your watch hour would boost. Note, make a post on your community for people to be aware that you want to come live. And the last but not least, to get subscribers. When you restream a pre-recorded videos, people will assume you're online, comment, share, and you would see watch hour guarantee. And this is the tip I promised to say at the end of the video. The website used for Restreaming is restream.io or streamyard.com. And let me just add this to the video also. See, even if you restream for hours and you successfully get monetized, do you know before you can reach this trade of $100, what your eyes will see is not small. You can use a month to gather $1, 2 months to gather $2, 3 months to gather $3. What's now the point of Restreaming? Tell me. When you use months to gather just $1, 2 months, see, it's better to go through the normal course. So that when you restream or when you come live, people will join, engage with your video, and you will get to see organic subscribers. Some people that are subscribing on your channel, basically they call what is your wildlife video, or your octopus video. They are not subscribed because they like your content. They're subscribing because of what they are seeing during the live stream. It's just like posting shorts. There are different kind of audience when you are posting on YouTube. There are audience for shorts, audience for long form content, audience for streaming alone, audience for going live. Yes, so you pick the kind of one you want, and you can do all of them, but make sure that you have already developed your long form content first, your shorts, then before you start doing streaming, so that when you combine the three of them together, you'll be successfully making money. Not that you will wait for 3 months. Some people used to take 1 year before they can exchange of $100. So please, stream the right way. And thank you for staying true. I am Bolu of Lagos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.